Alright guys, now that we have all the wires connected to our motherboard, it's time to install our optical drive. Alright, now it's time to put in our optical drive. Go ahead and slide it right in the front until it lines up flush with your case, or however you want it. And now we can go ahead and screw in these 4 holes right here. So go ahead and grab the screws that came with your motherboard and your screwdriver. So once you have that installed, go ahead and put your front panel back on. Should just snap into place. Make sure everything's nice and tight. And that's how you install a optical drive.